We must dig a giant hole.
Get in.
Gotta go fast.
We've been going fast all day. Why don't we stop?
But going fast is what I do. What happens when I finally stop?
I guess you won't know unless you stop and see.
This is nice.
Could you help me charge my phone, Sonic?
Sure thing, Ames.
Wow! My phone's never charged this fast. Maybe a little too fast.
Hey, Sonic. I know you've been exploring yourself, but I think it's time to explore getting a job.
Can't today. The Chaotix are coming over to play D&D.
Don't you want your own place?
Why? So I can buy a house shaped like my face? Do you have any idea how gaudy that is, Tails? Whatever happened to that workshop in Mystic Ruins?
Either get a job or find another couch to surf, dude.
Fine.
Wow, you're pretty. So lucky.
Did he just call me pretty?
I mean, pretty strong, pretty pink. Ugh. Marry me? My head.
Yeesh! Looks like I got you pretty good. I think I overdid it.
We finally made it to the beach.
What do you want to do first?
Hey guys, we could go play volleyball with the girls.
No, Small Fox. As men, we have but one sacred duty when stepping upon this sprawling coast. We must dig a giant hole.
Get in.
I've got a real bone to pick with you, Sonic. This whole finding yourself bit is incredibly off-brand. None of you guys are behaving in a manner consistent with established canon. You'd never catch me writing fan fiction like... While I appreciate you wearing your headphones in a way previously established in the canon, they don't cover your ears, so I know you can hear me!
You're standing on thin ice, Clank.
I am standing on the floor.
It's an expression.
And it's a carpet.
Clank. Never mind.
Nothing like quality time between father and son, my boy.
First off, you bought that mug yourself. Second, why'd we come to Radical Highway? I'm so sick of coming here!
I remember you killing me the second time here, as if it was only yesterday.
You said Sonic was inviting some old friends?
Yeah, they're from another canon or something.
Another canon? Meeting new people across time is stressful enough.
Not any harder than making interdimensional friends. Let's go in.
Listen, everybody, gonna have a party. I'm the baddest dude.
I know you're freaking out right now, but Sonic's royal siblings showed up, and their band is rocking out real hard.
Get a load of this wannabe Sonic.
I'm gonna go ahead and grab you guys in this capsule for nefarious purposes.
And I thought I had imposter syndrome. Cool jacket though, Chief.
Oh, poor Use. You're such a...
Silver, are you hurt?
Oh, my Tamagotchi died. What do I do?
It's okay, Silver. You can reset it to get another one.
To reset a Tamagotchi, to raise another. Is that really the right thing to do?
Alright, I'm gonna do it. I'm going to learn to swim. Oh, I made a terrible mistake! Oh! Oh no! No, 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 no! Why did they let me compete in multiple Olympics?
A cake? For me?
Hey, Egghead!
Aw, you guys didn't have to.
You're supposed to share that.
Fire! 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 Call the Mobius Fire Department! Help! Somebody help me!
Looks like Blue is having trouble with his cake buddy. Again.
Couldn't be me. Skill issue.
In case you have any leftovers.
Just eat and stop bugging us.
Thanks, Shadow.
Idiots.
Invader, what do you want from this timeline?
I want your vambrace. You see, there's this game I'm in.
My vambrace.
Has anyone told you how beautiful you are today?
No.
Better luck tomorrow.
Hey, Sonic!
Oh, Tails! What's up, buddy? Something happened? You look excited.
You think so?
Is this what I think it is?
Yep, I've decided to buy new sneakers. Thought you should see them.
But they're blue.
Yeah, cool, isn't it? You know, I was just thinking, why wear the same shoes all the time? And I wanted to buy something different. I was really hesitant at first, but Amy said they looked good on me. So I thought I'd show you and... Oh, I'm sorry. I guess I've been talking too much. Wait, are you crying? Is it that bad?
No, it's nothing like that. Honestly, it's just something in my eye. They look good on you.
Boo. He's too easy to scare.
No! Shadow! You okay? Shadow?
It's happened. They're no longer here. All of them gone.
They? Who are they? Who's gone?
Latina Sonic.
Sheesh, Shadow, how'd you steal Volva's fur? I mean, I'm not gonna complain, I totally rocked this. But seriously though, huh, you know, I'm starting to see why you get so many fangirls. I mean, whoa, look pretty cool.
I wish I could spend more time with Sonic.
Leave it to me!
That's not what I meant!
Thanks for the help.
Anytime!
Where were you?
With Clank, of course.
Want to try again?
Ah!
Yashiro, what's wrong? Oh, I get it. You're disappointed that it wasn't a real love confession, aren't you?
Hanako-kun! You jerk!
Yashiro!
I'm so embarrassed. I feel so stupid. Why did you kiss me on the cheek the other day? Just for fun?
Well, because you were tired and vulnerable to attack. I gave you a protection charm so that the apparitions couldn't harm you, at least for a while.
You couldn't explain that!
I'm sorry.
I have to go.
Wait! I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I never meant to make you cry.
Hanako-kun looked different with his hat off. It's the first time I saw him looking like a normal boy. And then I realized something. Even though I called him a friend, I never made an effort to know anything about him. I didn't even try to find out about the crime he committed, the reason why he died so young, or how, and his real name, and
Please stay here until you stop crying.
today, at this moment, for the first time, I felt like I wanted to know more about him. Sonic! Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you.
Tails.
I was going too
What
fast.
have you done to me? My lovely blue and beige fur ruined.
So, that's what an explosion looks like, huh? Good to know.
Tangle! Are you...
Yeah, I'm okay.
Here. Sit down.
I'm okay, Iz.
Please. Just sit. Rest for a moment.
Okay, fine, Mr. Bossy Pants.
Tangle, this is serious. Do you realize how lucky you are to be alive right now?
I'm sorry. I just didn't want your mission to be a total failure. Kinda too late for that. I know this case was a big deal for you guys, and all I did was blow your cover. So when I saw their truck getting away, I thought I could make it up to you, but I'm sorry. I didn't think about it being a trap. But hey, maybe you can still catch him if you go now. Don't let me slow you down. I'll...
Tangle. There's no other place I'd rather be right now than right by your side, making sure you are well taken care of. You mean a far greater deal to me than some trivial case.
Okay, who am I? I can't remember anything.
Senpai, you're stuttering way too much.
I don't think I could do proper acting. I can't help you with your practice like this either.
Should I teach you then?
I'll save up for lessons!
If you get better at acting, maybe we can do a play together.
Man, Nanakura, your acting skills are superb.
NANI?
Huh?
I really do like acting in front of someone I love. What do you think about that?
Wasn't that just you being yourself? I can tell you guys apart now, you know.
It was acting! Acting! That was just acting!
I see! I love your acting, Nanakura!
Please!
Oh, so beautiful!
Nom 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 nom.
Not cool, man! That was for tomorrow's chili dogs.
Meadow, I want you to go out there and show that blue pincushion who the real Sonic is.
You guys are getting way too comfy hiding in the bushes. Come on out, Robro. Look, man, if you're looking for a competition, let's see who can relax more. This is nice.
You call that Ben Franklin? He looks like a woman. I mean, jeez, woman, put some respect on your artmanship. This is a legitimate business here. Forgery is not for the weak-hearted, I'll have you know. You know, the other shrooms all think I'm scary. I have no idea why.
Miss Amy, Miss Styx is trying to eat me again. Oh.
Styx? What did I tell you about eating friends? Oh, for crying out loud! I'm just abiding by the natural food chain. She's even named after food.
Morning.
Good morning. How was the night? Should I make you breakfast?
No need. The night was rough. I had no time to sleep, and the worst part is the tests aren't over yet. I'm stuck there till 2 p.m. I'm just here to grab a snack.
Shadow, those aren't cornflakes.
I'll take the bag with me.
All right, but don't eat too many.
Who took my coffee?
Yo, it's me, Sonic. Hey, you got a second? Hey, listen, I know times may seem hard, and it feels like the world's been doing a bunch of spin dash attacks on ya. You believe me, I felt the same way so many times. But just remember, every obstacle that comes your way is always a loop-de-loop that's waiting to be tackled. Possibilities are endless in this world, and life's an open book. There'll always be moments in life where we feel like we've been hit by badniks and lost our rings. But that's how we live and learn. And even if you fall, brush off all that dust and keep on running. When you do that, it proves that you're undefeatable. So don't ever be afraid to show the world what you're made of. Because if you try, you can do anything. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. It doesn't matter what they say. So don't be so hard on yourself, okay? You just need to open your heart. It's gonna be all right.
Good morning. Did you get new glasses?
Good morning. This pair is non-prescription. I bought them because they were cute, and now I put them on by mistake.
Oh.
So she forgot her glasses today as well.
Huh? What is it?
Try putting these on.
Eh?
They are non-prescription.
But,
Miso, just wearing these just now.
They aren't dirty. I want to take a better look. Take a selfie and send it to me.
Seriously?
This isn't the right place.
I have never taken a selfie here or anywhere.
I'll let you bring them home. Hold on. I have the case with me. Huh?
Why is he so pretty?
Don't take them off.
Wait, huh? But...
Wear them for today.
Don't worry, Sonic.
Huh?
You're better than those jerks. You have this.
My nipple?
Your heart.
So, truth or dare, Ratchet?
Truth.
How many hours of sleep have you had this week?
Dare.
Go to sleep.
I hate this game. Ugh. Remote. So far. Yeah.
Press the B button to run along a row of rings when you're near one.
Couch. So far. Tails? Why hasn't teleportation been invented yet?
Mr. Sonic, how many licks does it take to get the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie-Pop?
Good question. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. 3.
If there's anything I can't stand, it's a smart hedgehog. Sonic always has a special place in my heart, but I'm not the only one in his. Sonic's not the one to open up to anyone, and I knew it. Knew he wouldn't open up to me. Only, sometimes I felt like Sonic was opening up to me just a little bit. I always told myself, don't think about it, Amy. I thought I was making things up again. But, why do you sound like that? Just for me? Why do you have that look? Just for me? Why do you say those words? Just to me? Maybe I have a special place in your heart too.
I still don't know what you see in that hog sometimes. He acts like a real goofball.
Yeah, then I looked at him like this. Oh, look at me, my name's Shadow. I need rocket shoes to go fast. Oh.
Yeah, he's pretty silly.
Maria often talked about sunsets. She would always show me pictures brought from Earth, admiring how beautiful they are, and wishing that she could one day see one herself. Now they remind me of her. Sometimes I think that maybe it's her telling me that she's proud of me and that everything will be okay. Maria, I will always remember you. Always.
Wow, Amy, that smells amazing.
I used the improved chili recipe. I hope you enjoy it.
Your chili dogs are always the best.
chili dogs are... Never mind. This bracelet.
This is delicious. You have outdone yourself, Ames.
Thanks. Sonic? That bracelet on your hand, isn't that the same I gave you on Chris's planet? Oh my, Chaos, this is really that bracelet you got it all this time.
Of course I have it. It suits my outfit. You know, vacation, ugly shirts, seashells.
Tails told me what you did that day. You jumped into the water to save me. Water, your greatest fear, and yet you found this bracelet and you have it all this time. It's so sweet. I don't think I ever had a chance to thank you.
You don't have to thank me. That's what a hero is for. Besides, you made those tasty big boys. That's more than enough.
That silly treat is not enough. You can't swim silly. You sacrificed your well-being for mine. Never do that again. But thank you, my hero. Is it just me, or is it getting hot in here?
Fire! My sausages!
You good? I know you love chili dogs, but I would recommend you using the sunscreen instead.